what you do specifically when you're trying to pour it out for the homies is you meditate on their name or think about the last time, your last good time that you had with them. Pour out a little bit of, it could be water, it could be Kool-Aid, it could be alcohol, it could be a cigarette, it could be a piece of a blunt, whatever. What you do is you pour it out or you puff it and don't inhale it. Think about them, and then you hit it or drink it right after. Now what that does is it feeds their spirit, it charges what you're smoking or what you're drinking with their spirit, with their essence, and it exchanges essences with you, with them. So they get a little bit of your energy, you get a little bit of their energy. That includes memories, experiences, emotions, and that's how it's done properly. Then you drink it and you smoke it right after. It's an exchange. That's how it's done.